Hello guys, I am back with another video. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to melt the remaining wax inside the jars. Okay, we're going to try to get this we're going to try to get the wax out of this jar as well as this jar. This is the remaining wax, so that we can reuse them. Okay, now with this kind of candle, all I have to do is just melt this inside a container. All right, and I'll show you how to do that. So let's begin. So guys, as you see here, I have some boiling water. Okay, I'm going to turn it down, and I'm going to put my jar inside and let it melt. Okay, so I'm going to just let it sit there for a little bit, and then we're going to just get like a closer look at what it can do. While that is melting, next we're going to add this jar inside as well. And we're going to go ahead and see which one can like melt faster. I know it's going to be this one. Okay, we'll be back. Okay, it looks like we have a little something going on. All right, it's melting, especially this one. Let me not touch it with my hands, that's a little dangerous, but it's melting. Yes, let's give it some more time. Okay, guys, we're going to use the glove to remove it. You see that? You see what we got? Ooh, see what we have, honey. All right, let's reuse this. I'm going to pour this into my candles. I'm going to show you. So, guys, we're going to use this candle wax and pour it inside here. We don't have enough, but you see, it's all gone. And what we're going to do is we're going to add our wax inside the heart candles that I have available. It smells so good, guys. Let's give it a look. Hold on. And carefully pour it. Whoops. That was the first mistake, honey. Again, as you see, it is like warming up fast. Ooh, all that only got us 2 candles with a little spill. So I'm going to remelt this and see what happens. Okay, guys, here is the results of the empty jar. We got it out, and I took it upon myself to pour the remaining wax to make new tea candles. Okay, so you can put in the comments on what you think. All right, I hope this helped you guys. Peace, blessings, bye.